everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm going to be reviewing a telescopic stool from Tiovo. Let me get to it. Now the folks at Tiovo have their own Amazon store and I'm going to show you guys some pictures that they have on the Amazon store that pretty much very well describe what this stool is about. I'm going to of course test it. I'm going to bring you guys in closer so I unbox it, find out what's going on inside, but these pictures will give you guys a good idea what this is about. Alright, so if you guys saw earlier in the pictures, it shows that this actually has a 550 pound capacity. It's very compact, retractable, height adjustable. Let's see. The box is a little beat up from the chipping, I believe. Yeah, but I think everything should be intact inside. Let's see. There we go. Hey, look at that. Toss it to the side. This must be the instructions themselves. Sure, it looks like. I'm gonna look over these and then try it out. Different languages. Alright. And here is the telescopic stool itself. Oh, it comes with a nice little pouch. Very nice indeed. I'm gonna try that out. Oh yeah. Spacious enough. Wonder what this is about. Ah, this is the cushion that goes on top. Got it. Uh-huh. That's what it is. That's the cushion. It goes in here. I'm gonna look into the instruction how this gets undone. Okay, I changed you guys the camera angle because this is quite interesting. First, let's take a quick look. These little two knobs, like battery ends, go right on top. Fits right into the little pouch. That seems simple enough. Take it with you. Oh, this will be great for hiking and camping. Yep, here it is. Not bad at all. Now, however, the way it gets undone and you can actually adjust the height, it goes like this. So you are to twist. It opens up. Then you twist to the right, and then it locks into place. Then you pull up again because it's spring loaded. You pull up again, twist to the left, closes. Pull up, twist to the right, it's gone. And then if you want to adjust it a little bit lower, like so, I'm gonna get you guys in closer so you guys can see the mechanism, see how it looks and how it works. Let me bring you in. All right, so check out the mechanism. So just you pull it up, spring loaded to the left. I really like the simplicity of it all. I do like the clever engineering of it all. I really do. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I'm gonna test the weight capability of it. It's 550 pounds. I'm not 550 pounds, but I'll probably get close. I'll see what I can do. All right, so this is what I'm planning to do, the weight test on this. I got right here next to me my personal 9.8 horsepower Tohatsu outboard. Roughly is about 86 to 88 pounds. I'm about 230, 232 a good breakfast. So give or take 310 pounds maybe. Just gonna be putting pressure onto this. We're gonna see how it works. I don't believe that this stool will ever be put under that kind of pressure for 150 pounds. But however, I think that'll be this good reassurance that it's capable to handle that. So you can throw almost anything at it, it'll handle it. Anyway, let me go and grab my big fat baby over here. Okay, let's see what we gotta do here. And get the big baby. There we go. All right, I'm gonna. It is off the ground. It is, yes. It's off the ground. It's being held in my arms and my legs. Big fat baby. All right, so right now, 310 pounds or so. It's not going anywhere. This is good. It is sturdy. I really, really like it. All right, let's go to the table and I'll show you guys my final thoughts. All right, first and foremost, a special thanks to the guys at Tiovo for sending this over for me to try. It is a phenomenal little stool. It's gonna become a permanent staple for my camping gear. I don't have to bring a big chair if I go hiking or camping. I just pop this up and I have a nice little place to sit on it. Not bad at all. And not badly priced actually. And they got a good array of different colors. It's nice. I mean, well engineered. I personally like things that are usually simplistic, and it's just clever engineering, no fancy gadgets, no fancy technology, and it's just simplicity. It's like an origami type of technology being used. It's phenomenal. So anyway, guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys found this video informative. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.